Hey, what's up, Gen Mix? It's VJ Ella, and for Mix Checks In, we are here at the New Frontier Theater today for the much-awaited concert of Janine. I'm pretty sure the fans are so excited to see her perform live. So tara, magtanong tayo. Hi, Gen Mix. We are here with two Gen Mixers here at the New Frontier Theater. We have
Kate and Mira.
Kate and Mira. Okay, so syempre, nandito sila ngayon to support Janine.
Congrats!
Congratulations, Miss Janine, on your sold-out concert.
Yes.
Very short and sweet lang talaga. Thank you so much po. I hope you guys will enjoy the show.
Yes.
Okay, say hi to our Gen Mix.
Hi.
Alright, Gen Mix, we are here with another fan. Her name is
Sam,
Sam. We are here with Sam. And Sam, ano yung favorite song mo from Janine?
Hulaan. Because, you know,
Hulaan! May dance
Yeah.
Hulaan
I love that, yes.
Yes, tama. It's such a vibe.
Yes.
So ano, for today, if makikita man ni Janine tong message na to, anong masasabi mo sa kanya?
Congratulations, Janine, on your first solo concert. Deserve mo to kasi alam kong matagal mo tong inintay. Kaya kaming mga fans, we're very, very happy for you.
Wow, grabe. Kung kanina short and sweet, ito naman, very long yung nag-message siya, pero ramdam na ramdam namin na super happy ka for Janine. So thank you so much. Can you say hi to our Gen Mix?
Hi, Jan Mix.
Hi, Gen Mix. We are here with our third fan. Your name is?
Erica.
Erica. Very gorgeous, Erica. Wow. So, Erica, what is your favorite Janine song?
My favorite Janine song is Sandig.
Sandigan. Why?
Sobrang mafe-feel mo kasi na parang sinulat siya for someone na mahal mo.
Oh, that's nice. So, if makikita ni Janine tong video na to right now, what would be your message for her?
I'm so happy for her kasi matagal ko na rin siyang pinapakinggan simula di na muli. So, yeah. So, parang medyo tumanda na rin ako kasama siya.
Ah, that's nice.
Kaya ako nandito just to support her.
Oh, that's so nice. That's super sweet. Nakakatuwa yung mga fans na nag-grow with their idol. So, thank you so much for your support. Can you say hi to the Gen Mix?
Hi!
Hey, Gen Mix, we are here at the backstage with the one and only Rabin Angeles. Ayan. So, how does it feel to be a part of Janine's concert tonight?
Saya ko tapos concert pa ni Janine, di ba?
Yeah.
Sobrang proud po ako sa kanya.
Diba?
Oo, sobrang galing ni Janine. As in, sobrang galing. Kaya nakaka-proud siya. And ang saya ko dahil nandito ako sa concert. Siguro, si Janine, gusto ko siya ulit makasama sa isang pelikula or serye na classmates siguro kami, gano'n.
What is your message for Janine?
Ayun, Janine, I'm so proud of you. Ang galing. May solo concert ka na. Parang kailan lang pinag-uusapan natin yan na sobrang sisikat ka. Sinabi ko po sa kanya, parang siya pa lang yung narinig ko na ganyan kumanta. Kaya alam ko sisikat si Janine.
Wow. Alright, thank you so much, Rabin. Can you say hi to the Gen Mix?
Hi, Gen Mix! Thank you so much po.
What's up, guys? This is Arthur Neri and you're watching Mix, the beat of our culture.
Hi, Gen Mix! So, nandito ulit tayo sa backstage and we are here with the one and only Arthur Neri. Ayan. Wow. So, Arthur, how does it feel to be a part of Janine's concert?
Sobrang happy po ako kasi para siyang isa siyang full circle moment din kasi yun, alas magkakasabay lang din kami dati with pelikula, diba? And then from then na parang tuloy-tuloy na siya ganun. So yun, saya.
Kahit na parang kalmado lang si Arthur, masaya siya. But yeah, so speaking of yung pelikula, as you mentioned earlier, that was your collaboration with Janine before. So if magkakaroon kayo ng panibagong collaboration, anong genre naman ng song ito? Magra-rap ka ba?
Ng regalo? Hindi ako marunong pero pwede. Depende sa'yo.
Okay, makulit pala to si Arthur Neri.
Hindi branding lang daw.
Oh, branding. Okay. So, lastly, what is your message for Janine?
Sorry. Masaya ka. Congrats. Tapos sa concert mo, congrats. At yun. Inom ka na maraming tubig. Tapos, goods?
Oh, yeah. Okay, good.
Hello and goodbye, Jenny Mix.
Alright, bye.
Hey guys, it's Gian
and Rafa from
Cup of Joe, and you're watching Mix, the beat of our culture.
Hey there, Gen Mix! Of course, syempre hindi tayo magpapahuli. Kasama natin ngayon ang Cup of Joe! We have Rafa and Gian here sa dressing room. So guys, of course, kakatapos lang nila mag-perform. We just wanted to ask you, how does it feel to be a part of Janine's concert?
Para kaming proud parents.
Yeah.
Hindi kasi parang sabay kami ni Janine na nangarap ng ganitong klaseng show. And parang naka-proud lang na makita siya in her most element. Tapos parang this feels like a very big achievement.
Yes.
Lalo sa younger self niya na parang mostly doon niya dinededicate tong show na to. It's about her growth, it's about her womanhood, it's about her freedom. And ayun, we're very thankful and honored na sinama niya kami sa first ever solo concert niya. It means a lot sa amin.
Yeah. How about you, Rafa? Do you have any?
Nakakaba. Isa ito sa mga pinanakaba na namin. No, iba yung feeling pag yung if it's kasi para like this concert, it's for Janine. Yung ganun. Tapos she invited us, kaya parang we feel so honored. And parang inisip, sana galingan namin for Janine.
Yeah,
parang
for Janine.
Oh, iba yung haba. So, speaking of, halata naman na very good friends kayo then with Janine. And you guys also collaborated with her through a song. So, ngayon naman, if ever magko-collaborate ulit kayo, anong genre naman yung naiisip nyo?
Reggae. Random. I feel like, if magko-collab ulit kami, it's a slow song. Na mas acoustic. Like more emotional, more sentimental, ganon. Which would really bring out yung texture ng soulful voices niyong dalawa.
At saka yung pagkakulot ng boses ni G.
Pero pwede din naman yung hip-hop kung gusto nyo.
Pwede talaga.
Kumulot dun, di ba?
Pwede.
Wow. Okay, syempre, lastly, what is your message for Janine?
We love you. We're so proud of you, Ja. Alam naming this is a long journey for you. Pero, ayun, malayo ka na. Pero alam kong malayo pa yung gusto mong marating. And we believe na malayo pa yung mararating mo. And, ayun, we're always here for you. We love you.
Keep breaking that ceiling.
That's you.
Whoa.
Tama ba yun?
Ano?
Oh,
yeah.
Parang yung may limitation. Bam! Ganun siya. Tuloy-tuloy lang yun si Janine.
Yes. Janine, next year, ang pangalan na niya, Jaten.
Oh!
Galing na answer na yan. Okay, thank you so much, Cup of Joe. Can you say hi? And bye to our Gen Mix. Natawa din siya sa sarili na joke.
Hi, Gen Mix! Bye, Gen Mix!
What's up, everyone? I'm Carl.
I'm Japs.
And we are the Juans. You're watching Mix, the beat of our culture.
Hey there, Gen Mix! So tonight, nandito tayo sa backstage with the Juans, Carl, and Japs. Yes! Sila ulit. So, meron na silang content sa Mix with VJ Ozzy. If you guys want to check that out, just go to @mix.global. Anyways, so, of course, kakatapos lang nila mag-perform. How does it feel to be a part of Janine's concert tonight?
We are super honored to be a part of this show, but also to have a chance to witness Janine's journey from the very beginning. So nagpapasalamat kami kay Janine for selecting us to be part of this show. And even performing on stage kanina, it's so surreal. Parang nag-flashback sa akin yung buong journey of how we were just doing mall shows before. Baby pa si Janine doon. So it's like a anong tawag doon? Yung parang 360...
Full circle moment.
It's a full circle moment. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, Jobs, do you have anything to add?
I'm just grateful na naging part kami nung big milestone niya. So, and proud din, syempre. Sa tagal din namin sa industry na rin. So, very proud sa kung anong na-achieve niya now.
Yeah. So, di ba nakakolaborate niya na si Janine sa isang song, pero ngayon naman, if magkakaroon kayo ng bagong collaboration, ibang genre, ano ito and why?
Yung mga collab namin, puro hugot songs.
Yes.
So, siguro this time, love song naman siguro.
Wow.
Diba?
Ako, I'll be interested to see a rock song na angst naman. Alam mo yan, yung parang nagra-rant ka sa mundo, ganun.
Yes, it's very soft pa yung ni Janine.
Oo pero may tinatagong yan rar. So I wanna bring that out.
Alright, so of course, lastly, what is your message to Janine?
Janine, we're very proud of you. Congratulations sa iyong milestone. Ito ay simula pa lamang. We are looking forward to more shows, more sold out shows, bigger venues, and more music from you.
Alright.
Good.
Same, copy paste. Alright, thank you so much. Can you say hi and bye to our Gen Mix?
Hi and bye to Gen Mix.
Hi, this is Rob Daniel and you're watching Mix, the beat of our culture.
Hey Gen Mix, so nandito ulit tayo sa backstage with the one and only Rob Daniel. Woo! So Rob, how does it feel to be a part of Janine's concert?
Very happy. Naging part din ako ng process ng bago tong concert na to, and nakita ko yung hard work niya, lahat para lang mangyari to, and super happy ako for her. Sobrang deserve.
Wow.
Very talented and sobrang bait na tao.
Yeah. So side, curious question to. So, since kasama ka din dun sa process before this concert, so, ano yung, for you, favorite moment mo with Janine before this concert?
Siguro yung collaboration namin nung nagsusulat kami ng song. Masayang process kasi hindi ganun kaikli yung oras na natapos namin yung song. Actually, very sobrang tagal ng process ng pagsusulat na namin ng kantang yon, yung distansya, and ayun, pero yung sobrang worth it nung result ng song. So yun sa favorite memory ko with her.
Yes, actually Gen Mix, it's a really great song. You should listen to it. Now, speaking of writing songs and collaborating with Janine, kung magkakaroon pa kayo ng isa pang collaboration, anong genre naman to?
Wow. Feeling ko gusto ko siyang makasama sa isang medyo mas slow song. Medyo ballad.
Oh, yeah.
Ayun. Feeling ko mas ma-express lang namin yung voice namin kapag ganun kabagal yung song. Yeah.
So, wow. Okay, now, what is your message for Janine?
Janine, hello sa'yo. Sana happy ka sa naging result, sa lahat ng nangyari sa concert mo. Deserve mo lahat yan. And yun, more concerts soon.
Yes. And for you too. We are looking forward to that, syempre. Now, say hi to the Gen Mix. Bye!
Hi, Gen Mix. Bye-bye!
Hi, this is Aubrey Caraan and you're watching Mix, the beat of our culture.
So we're here at the Backstage Gen Mix, and we are here with the very own Aubrey Caraan, the very beautiful. She just finished performing. So how does it feel to be a part of Janine's concert tonight?
Hello everyone. I feel honored, and I feel blessed to be part of this concert. I know na very important to kay Janine.
Yes.
It's her first ever solo concert and sold out pa.
Yes.
So, yeah, honored na maging part ng concert na to and ma-witness yung milestone.
Yes.
Another milestone for her.
Yeah, nakakatuwa kasi hindi lang kayo artists, you're also good friends, supporting a good friend here tonight. So, the fans are just wondering, if ever magkakaroon kayo ng collaboration, kayong dalawa, what genre of music would that be?
Oh, I wanted it to be different from other collaborations na ginawa niya. So, I wanted to be like danceable.
Yes. Kasi mostly sad songs and mellow.
And mellow.
Yes.
And hugot, you know. So, I know Janine din, nakakasayaw din naman si Janine.
Yeah.
Kasi, I've worked with her before, like, sa series namin. And yung mga ibang songs namin, kind of bop, parang ganon. Fun. So, yun naman, para maiba lang.
Wow, nakakasayaw pala si Janine. Makakita kaya natin tonight. Na-excite talaga kami. Okay, so lastly, what is your message to your friend Janine?
Janine, congratulations sa concert mo. I'm really happy sa'yo at nakakatuwa, nakaka-proud na sold out ang first ever solo concert mo here sa NFT. And yeah, hindi man tayo lagi nagkakasama or nagkakausap, like, know that I'm so proud of you and I'm really grateful that naging part ako ng concert mo.
Wow, a very sweet message. Thank you so much, Aubrey. Can you say hi to our Gen Mix once again?
Hello, Gen Mix. This is Aubrey, and thank you for having me.
Yes. All right. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Janine, and you're watching Mix, the beat of our culture.
And of course, Gen Mix, we have here the star of tonight's show. We have the one and only Janine. Grabe, kakatapos niya lang mag-perform. And super ganda ng energy ng buong concert na to. So Janine, congratulations on your first ever concert.
Yay!
Yes. So, nag-sink in na ba sa'yo that you just finished your first ever concert?
Hindi pa.
Gets.
Pero, yeah, siguro, yung feeling lang after is like, you know, you're so happy. So, I think yun yung pinaka-na-feel ko.
Yes, and the energy radiates. Yung happiness mo nagra-radiate talaga siya, nakakatuwa. So, alam kong mahaba yung naging process, rehearsals before this concert. So, ikaw, what were your favorite moments before this concert?
I think yung arrangement namin ng band ko kasi we arranged this together gawin ng band ko. So, like in a house. So, dun, yun yung pinaka-favorite ko kasi wala lang. Parang jamming
lang. Yes. Oh, that's so nice. So, na-perform talaga yung bond.
Yeah.
Oh, that's definitely. And you know, your artist friends na nakasama mo ngayon, we talked to them before this interview and they talked so fondly of you. Like, super duper love ka nila. So, you know, aside from the artists that you collaborated with tonight, if you were to have another collaboration with other artists, who would that be and why?
I'm really into Maki right now. Yung mga recent songs niya. And Dilaw. Yung album nila na ngayon na bago.
Oh, so Maki ang next. Yeah. So, well, hopefully makita natin yan soon, right? And of course, lastly, we are so curious, what is your message to future Janine? Because, you know, ito sabi mo, dream mo na noon magka-concert and then you finally had it. Ngayon, for future Janine, what is your message for her?
Siguro keep hanging on and you know, keep working hard and putting your soul and your heart into everything.
Wow, that's so nice to hear. Once again, Mix Fam or Gen Mix, we have here Janine. Can you say hi and bye to Gen Mix?
Hi and bye, Gen Mix.
Yes, bye. And that's a wrap for today's Mix Checks In here at the New Frontier Theater of Janine's concert. I know you guys are very, very happy with that interview. I am too. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!